Mr. Peter Obi is an enigma. He's one of the greatest men born in this country, in our state and in Africa now. He's a newsmaker. He's somebody who can hardly pass anywhere in Nigeria now without being mobbed with excitement. Mobbing is not attack. People want to cluster around him and embrace him and have a feel of this man, Mr. Peter Obi. Because you know that long time now, from this state, he sprung up and politically he started from here. Became governor, and his governor was dotted with a lot of events and activities, both in the area of development and then development of our jurisprudence in Nigeria. There's nobody who has been governor in Nigeria who has tested the laws of Nigeria more than Mr. Peter Obi. And today he's on the march again. History is being made this year alone, starting from last year when he ventured into the presidential race through Labour Party. The politics of Nigeria changed greatly. And today, in Nigeria, you can't discuss anything in politics without mentioning Mr. Peter Obi. He's a pathfinder. He's a man who has traded where even people who consider themselves bold could not venture. But he does his own very calmly. So that is why today, this book, Many Voices, One Perspective, is a collection of testimonies. And I'm sure people who have worked with him, people who have walked the journey with him, can give so many accounts of him. But in all that they may have written in this book, one thing will remain constant. Peter Obi is a man who is soft-spoken but tough indeed. He's somebody who can never be intimidated by anybody. His humility can weaken your boldness. No matter what you try to do, Peter will laugh it off. And calmly, will continue to remain on course and focused. So I congratulate those who made this book possible. Chinyere, Stella, Okunna, of course. You cannot tell the story without Chinyere being the chairman of the team. Valentine Obienyem has been a Spartan from the beginning till date. Dismiss it to be at your own peril. Anything you are doing with him, make sure your eyes are open. Because when you are deep asleep, he will sting you. You know, and I know that God will bless this journey we are into now for the good of this country, for the good of our people. So I help Peter Obi with these collections. I know that many people want to read it, especially those who have not encountered him deeply. I know that a lot of revelations are made in this booklet.